This mobile phone we have. Its radar function is broken. Open this rangefinder. Bad case. It is like this flashing and flashing situation. Now our pound tool can repair it. To open the LBS tool, click this radar to match. Then, in the case of the original radar, we directly scan the code of his original radar and upload it. Scan this code. After scanning the code, copy it directly here. Scan code to upload. Paste. Unbinding successfully. A different situation. That is, when his original radar is not there. We can use the Shaloo Software Inspection Assistant. Flash and unbound. Unbundled accessories. Flash and unbound. After we have finished unbinding this, next, you need to use LBS tools. This new radar repair cable. Let's test it first. The test book has data. Next, we can bind. Write immediately. Binding successful. Next, let's turn it on and see the effect. Okay, waiting for boots. Okay, let's take a look at the radar just now. This rangefinder function. Already okay. It'll be fine if you open it normally.